Hi, and welcome back to Boss Fight Game Part 3. Now I realised that the enemy tank is a square and a circle. I mean circle and a square. Can't tell the difference, I'm sorry. So I'm going to try and if you are going to change this after, then you're going to want to make it so you keep this in the same place. You just change it and stuff. So I am going to change this. I'm going to keep this copied, just in case. No, I don't want this. Just don't. So I'm going to go for tankish look. And yeah, kind of like this. I go to that. Black circle. Copy and paste in this. Now I have this. I'm going to change this color to dark color. Like this. So yeah, I have redesigned the tank, but this should work. Same as at first did, yeah. Seem to be coming at the front like that. Missiles. Yeah, they are coming out fine. So I'm gonna not center that, but center. Yes, good. Anyway, so that's good. If you designed it, then hell yeah. This bull looks kind of ugly. I have something in my head, but I probably won't be able to recreate it, but I'll give it a try. So I'm gonna go for a yellow. Yes. And then I'm going to more orange actually. Like that. I'm gonna give an outline of that 5. And it seems to be this size, so I'm gonna use this as reference. That's about 10, so I'll change this to like 5. Too much outline. About it. I'm gonna do that. I'm also gonna try and get. Actually, can I change this? To that. And go like this. That's alright. I don't know. I'll keep it quite low brightness. I'll keep it as that. Now, if you don't know how to make a triangle, I'll show you. Hold down shift so you can get perfect square. and then you need to select the pointer thing, put a point in the middle, delete, and then you can make this pointed, but I might keep it curved for this. You can point then curve to get this kind of thing, because I might use this for the front of the bullet. I'm going to change these points inwards so we can't see them. I guess these points. No, I don't want these points. Can relax until we can see those. So yeah, that's a bit too long, so I'll change it down a bit. That seems decently similar in size. I'm gonna grab that, maybe turn it down a little bit, and center it. And then, the wrong way around. Okay. Game. Website. Now try that. It was go facing the right. This is a bit more real, I guess you could say. So yeah, that's quite good. Now, I guess what we could also do is maybe make the missile look nicer. It's got these little sharp points, and those are kind of bad. If we make that curve okay, well, just get rid of the outline. The outline is literally the whole shape. Yeah, that's better. That's what I was going for. Turn that outline down a bit. Change it to a bright yellow. This can be a little red. That looks pretty good, honestly. Now the player, there's not much I can do about the player. I can't make an animated stick, man. What could we do? There's not much, honestly. You can give him a smiley face if you feel like he needs more personality. So bad. It works, and then we can make him point towards mouse pointer. And then now if we make him look right, he should kind of look the way our mouse pointer is. Alright. I think that's it for this episode. That looks pretty cool though. So we have kind of changed the complete style of it. I think even the smiley face, everything looks a lot better. You don't agree? Enemy tank's completely different. Bullet, completely different. Missile, I just changed 3 colours, but it looks better. So yeah, that is third episode, I guess. Thanks for watching. And yeah, goodbye.